A cold winter night, a homeless man found a purse on the street. Inside were hundreds of dollars, enough to feed him for months. He looked around, maybe someone would come back, but no one did. He sat under a street lamp, the purse clutched to his chest. For a moment, he thought, keep it? He was hungry, cold. But then he remembered his mother's words. Son, no matter how poor you become, never abandon your honesty. The next morning, he walked miles to the police station and returned the purse. The police officer was astonished. You're homeless? And you still returned the purse? A little later, the man whose purse was lost arrived, a wealthy businessman. Tears welled in his eyes. He gave the homeless man a job, a place to live, and a new life. Thus, a man who had nothing became a legend, not with money, but with his heart.